Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Defender Pro XT for the Google Pixel 10 Pro. This will also apply to the Google Pixel 10, as this case is compatible with either one of them. And it's also going to be similar across the entire Pixel lineup. So if you have a XL or anything like that, you're just going to need the larger case, but it's going to be fundamentally the same. So if you're looking for one of those cases, this video still applies to you as well. So we're going to go ahead and take it out of the package here. Obviously, OtterBox is not really including the holsters in the package anymore. They usually give you a code in here. We'll see if that is in this one to redeem for a holster. And yes, it is. Obviously not going to show it on camera, but it is in that insert. So if you want to go to their website and pick up a holster, you are able to do that for free. So I'm going to take off the little plastic insert here. I'm not the biggest fan of the clear back, just because it tends to get a little dirty, smudged up, dust and stuff like that trapped between the case and the phone. But other than that, it's still a good case. Obviously, you can get a regular Defender that's not clear on the back as well, but this is just what they had. And when I picked mine up from Best Buy, I got a free $200 gift card for the promo that they were running. So I didn't really care too much about colors and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and peel this back and get the little inner ring out. All you have to do is separate those two. And you can see you kind of already get like fingerprints and dust and stuff like that up in there. And then we are going to go ahead and I usually put this on here first. I find that that's the easiest way to do it. And then I just slide it in kind of bottom up, or sorry, top up, top first. And then I kind of just press around the edges, open up your charge port down here, get all that lined up and close it. And this goes on pretty easily. You just have to kind of work the edges back over the lip, and then you're good to go. As you can see, that went on super easy. I do have a Zag screen protector on here as well, and it is completely compatible with that. It's not rubbing it or pushing it up or anything like that. So there we go. Again, nice little bump here for your camera, so your camera is protected a little bit. You do have the magnet, so you still retain the functionality of that for wallets, chargers, accessories, stuff like that. And then down here, you also have the covered charge connector. So very nice. Excuse me. I will order the holster as well and try that out. But there you go. That is the Defender XT for the Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, basically 10 Pro XL, just get the larger case, obviously. But that's how you put it on. Very easy. I know people always love when I make these videos because some people just can't figure out how to separate them and snap them back together and stuff like that. So I just like to do the video guides every time a new phone comes out, and I get the Defender for it. So Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. As always, have a great day, and a link to this case will be down in the description if you're interested in picking one up.